So we're out here looking at some of our Zeedykes structures that we initially built last summer, the summer of 2024, thanks to a bunch of volunteers and a conservation corps that came out to help build these structures. All these Zeedykes structures out here on this property are working to help slow down erosion and protect vital grazing land. These structures are basically strategically placed rocks. And what they do is they slow down the water speed and velocity to help prevent the erosion of the soils, continuing to incise these channels, take away the valuable grazing land. And so sometimes those structures work perfectly. Sometimes those structures need a little bit of repair each year. It kind of all depends on the amount of water flow that had been experienced the previous year. If there is a major rain event, a big flash of water going through the system, that can open up these structures and prevent them from doing their job. So this summer, we have another crew that's out here working to enhance some of the structures that have been built, repair what might have been damaged a little bit during big rain events. And so we're really excited that a lot of these structures are doing their job, and we're moving on to just continuing to enhance this habitat and prevent more erosion. I'm standing on a large structure right here that was built last summer. The crew this year, they've come in and they've already repaired this structure. We're really excited to see what's going to happen with it next season, and if it can continue to enhance this area and prevent the erosion. Looking back here, we have several structures that have been installed last summer and repaired this summer as well. Overall, they did their job, which is great. And what we're finding out is enhancing these structures, making them more compact in a smaller area, really works to prevent drastic erosion. And that's our goal out here, is to stop these incised channels from developing and protect the land.